Okay, hey, so I come out here to throw the like football, and I look around, I hear thunder. I turn around, and there's this huge freaking storm. I can't throw the freaking football now. What's up with that? Look, I'll give you a better view. It's insane. Jeez! This is insane. God. Oh! Jeez. I can't throw a football now. Jeez. This is just insane.